Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join the CapCut Pro. So if you are using a free version of CapCut and you want to use the CapCut Pro, here's how you what you need to do to join. First, open your CapCut and on the editing page here on the home page, just click on the Pro button here at the top, this Pro tags. Just click on this and CapCut will lead you to this page, the CapCut Pro page. So by subscribing or joining the CapCut Pro, you'll be unlocking all Pro features and materials. You can also edit with premium templates and you'll get 100 GB cloud space storage. So the next step is just choose or select the plan that you think fits your budget and your needs, and after that just click on purchase at the bottom here, and after that the Google Play will show up like this. So you need to choose the payment method here. Just click on this. You can choose between the for example e-wallet, or you can also use credit or debit card. And after you select the payment method, just click on subscribe and you are done, and the CapCut will proceed with your subscription. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.